Hey everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of modern metal furniture and decor, and I'm going to show you how to transform your home into a stylish and expansive haven without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking to refresh your living space, add some contemporary flair, or simply create an illusion of more space, metal furniture is the way to go. From sleek coffee tables to stunning wall art, I've got some fantastic tips and tricks to elevate your home decor. Metal furniture and decor have become increasingly popular in modern interior design. They provide a sleek, contemporary look and can easily blend with various styles, from industrial to minimalist. Metal pieces are durable and can create a sense of openness and spaciousness, making them ideal for smaller spaces. Benefits of metal furniture and decor. Durability. Metal is robust and can withstand wear and tear, making it a long-lasting choice for furniture. Versatility. Metal complements a variety of materials, including wood, glass, and fabric, allowing for diverse design options. Lightweight options. Many modern metal furniture pieces are designed to be lightweight, making them easy to rearrange. Sleek aesthetic. The clean lines and smooth surfaces of metal furniture contribute to a modern and sophisticated look. Reflective qualities. Metal surfaces can reflect light, helping to brighten a space and create an illusion of expansiveness. Choosing the right metal furniture. When selecting metal furniture, consider the following types that can enhance your home's aesthetic. Metal chairs. Dining chairs. Opt for metal dining chairs with cushioned seats for comfort. Styles like Tolix or industrial metal chairs add a modern touch. Accent chairs. Choose sleek metal accent chairs that can serve as statement pieces in your living room or bedroom. Metal tables. Coffee tables. A metal coffee table with a glass top can create a lightweight feel in the living room. Look for geometric designs for a contemporary vibe. Dining tables. Metal dining tables, particularly those with a minimalist design, can make your dining area look spacious and elegant. Shelving units. Open shelving. Metal shelving units provide an airy feel and can display decor items without overwhelming the space. Choose open designs to keep the look light. Floating shelves. Metal floating shelves can be used to display art, plants, or books, adding vertical interest while maintaining an open atmosphere. Decorative accents. Metal wall art. Incorporate metal wall art to add texture and dimension. Look for abstract or geometric designs to enhance the modern feel. Lighting fixtures. Metal lamps, pendant lights, and chandeliers can serve as focal points in any room. Choose fixtures with clean lines and interesting shapes. Color schemes and finishes. Choosing colors. Neutral tones. Using neutral colors like white, gray, or beige as your base allows metal accents to shine. Bold accents. If you prefer color, add bold accents through pillows, throws, or wall art. This helps balance the sleekness of metal with warmth. Finishes. Matte versus glossy. Matte finishes provide a more understated look, while glossy finishes can add a touch of glamour. Consider mixing both for a balanced aesthetic. Mixed metals. Don't be afraid to combine different metal finishes, e.g., brass, steel, and copper, for a more dynamic and layered appearance. Artwork and prints. Metal wall sculptures. Consider adding wall sculptures made of metal for a contemporary touch. These can serve as statement pieces that draw the eye. Framed prints. Use metal frames for artwork or photographs to maintain a cohesive look throughout the space. Plants and greenery. Metal planters. Use metal planters to add greenery to your home. They can serve as stylish decor while bringing life into the space. Hanging planters. Metal hanging planters can draw the eye upward, creating a sense of height in the room. Textiles and fabrics. Contrast with soft textiles. Balance the hardness of metal with soft textiles like cushions, rugs, and curtains. This contrast adds warmth and comfort to the space. Metallic accents. Incorporate metallic threads in textiles for a subtle shimmer that ties in with your metal furniture. Budget-friendly shopping tips. 1. Thrift and vintage stores. Unique finds. Explore thrift stores or flea markets for unique metal furniture pieces. You can often find vintage items that add character to your home. DIY projects. Consider upcycling old metal furniture with a fresh coat of paint or new upholstery to give it new life. Online marketplaces. Discount websites. Utilize online marketplaces like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or local classifieds to find budget-friendly metal furniture. Sales and clearance. Keep an eye out for sales at furniture stores, especially during holiday weekends or seasonal clearances. Metal decor. Create your own. If you're handy, consider making your own metal decor. Simple projects like metal wall art or custom shelving units can be rewarding and cost-effective. Collaborate with local artists. Support local artisans by commissioning custom metal pieces that reflect your style. Maintenance of metal furniture. Cleaning and care. Regular dusting. Dust metal furniture regularly to keep it looking fresh. Use a soft cloth to avoid scratching the surface. Proper cleaning solutions. For tough stains, use mild soap and water, avoiding harsh chemicals that can damage finishes. Preventing rust and damage. Use coasters. Protect metal surfaces from moisture by using coasters under drinks or vases. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the world of modern metal furniture and decor. I hope you found inspiration for your own spaces and learned a few tips on how to incorporate these stylish pieces into your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also be interested in home decor. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite piece of metal furniture? Share your ideas in the comments below.